products, but not the same equality have in their products. Customers in this market, customers can choose easily from many options. This idea was created by Edward Chamberlain. In this market, each company wants to be different from each other. They can set prices themselves, but not set very high prices. Customers can easily go to another company if they set the price very high.
So they have to take consideration other producers as well, so that they may affect their prices.
For example, McDonald's and KFC, their products like chickens, burgers, and the service of their products can be different from each other. Some people choose KFC, some others choose McDonald's because of their quality of their service. In this market, advertising is very important. In the short time in this market, companies can make good profit, but in the long time, new companies enter this market, and the profit can be normal to other companies. Oligopoly. Oligopoly is a market with a very small number of big companies. These companies are very strong and control the market. If one company changes the price of their product, others will definitely react. For example, Apple and Samsung. If Apple produces the new model of their phone, Samsung also creates the model of their product to compete with iPhone. Oligopoly is very difficult for new companies to enter in this market because it requires a lot of money and technology. Oligopoly exists in markets like airplane, phones, and cars.
No problem at all. If you'd like, you can go ahead and let me know.
I think that it is required to you. That's all. Okay, regarding this topic, I'd like to ask you a question. What do you understand by the term product differentiation? What do you understand? How do you, what's this term for?
Can you explain the question?
Differentiation, product differentiation, what does it mean?
It can be in monopolistic markets, it can be by quality brands.
Also,
search of their products.
Differentiation is different, right? Different, so making different, so improving or making it special, or it also can also mean diversifying the production line, diverse products. So if you are, so take phones for example. Take Samsung for example. They are producing a number of phones, but with different models. hands, but they are the same. They function as phones, but with different qualities and features. Okay. Thank you for since it was a presentation. I think we can proceed.
This theory of monopolistics is described as the price of difference. In this world, there are small similar shops which produces similar products. For example, it's easy to open a shop because there is almost no barriers to entry in this market. For example, if one person starts making a lot of money, for example, selling truffle pizza, next week the 10 people open a truffle pizza shop near this shop. Consequently, it can lead to prices spread to so thin that everyone just makes near their pay bills, and in economics it's called normal profit. But it can lead to excess capacity problem, which means companies stay the branding and unique. They spend more money on advertising and staying the top. And oligopoly is described as the highest stakes of chess match. In this world, there are only 3 or 4 big companies, and they act like chess players because they don't trust each other. For example, if I move in this way, what will do my opponent then? There is also a king demand theory, which means, for example, let's take 2 companies, company A and B. If company A lowers its price, company B starts lowering its price also, because keeping high prices can lead to lose their customers. For real example, company Coke and Pepsi, if both keep their prices high, they can make $1 billion, and Pepsi company starts cheating and lowering its price. Coke company starts losing their customers. For easy explanation for oligopoly market is prisoner's dilemma. For example, if there are 2 players, A and B, who caught by the police, in the first scenario, if both stay silent, they get 1 year for each. And second scenario, if player A snitches and player B stays silent, player A goes free and player B gets 10 years. In the third scenario, 실수는 둘 다 스니치 같은 거.
Presentation, but later slide. What do you understand by the term monopsony? Monopsony, oligopoly. In monopoly, it's the opposite version of monopoly. In monopoly, you have one sole purchaser, right? But in monopsony, it's vice versa. So,
Client is price maker.
so
그냥 trader와 price maker와 가능성이
so
can affect the price of products.